Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So I want to consider about part number 1, that is about s equal to y equal to z. So in this situation, I will change y into s and s. So that means this one we have s square, s and s square in here. Now we sum together in here and we have 14 s square. Next we simplify s square on numerator and denominator. And now we just have 1 over 14. Now let's go to part number 2. About part number 2, I will put about y equals to number 0. So in this situation, we put y equals to number 0 in here. So we have 0 in here and here. So we see that this one you got about 0. This one is not about 0 in here. So in this situation, we have 0. So we see that part number 1 is about 1 over 14. Part number 2 is about number 0. That means part number 1 is not the same with part number 2. So we can say that the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.